Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I just did a video a couple hours ago on this graphic, and he wants the color to be redder. So instead of going through there and doing that, we're going to use find and replace. So what I'm going to do is I've got one of them selected. I'm going to go to edit, find and replace, from selection, find all, and then go right here and turn them all red. Look at the difference. And you could do that with any of the, I wish I would have kept a copy. Well, I could very easily back up. But, you could change the blue out. Let's just do it for fun. So I've got it ungrouped. So basically, some of this is a black image, and that, for my laser friends, that went in gray pretty good. But must have nudged it somehow. Whenever you do that, just go backwards. Because evidently when I didn't nudge it, but I must have bumped it. There we go. So let's just do the same blue. Huh. That is really bizarre. So here, let's just do this. Go to the down arrow key. Well, that's good. Let's just start over. That way I'll have a copy to show you the difference in the red. So let's make a duplicate of this guy and move it over. Now, it has to be kind of ungrouped so you can grab that color. And I've already got find and replace, so I'm just going to go from selection, which is I just realized I got some eyeballs right there. Find all and turn them red. Look at the difference. I think I got two little gray specks in there I shouldn't have. And it'd be the same thing with the blue, but, I guess far away is not really much difference, and you could do a lot with this. Find all. And let's just say you want it really weird and you're going to make them pink. You know what? That's why it didn't look any redder, because I had fixed it. So there's the old copy. There's the old color. Here's a good little deal. I'm going to Control C, and then I'm going to delete that. Let me get rid of those two specks first. I couldn't believe that they didn't look any redder. Grab that red from selection, find all, turn it red, and then go and paste. So there's the difference between the two colors. Quite a bit difference. I mean, at first I thought, wow. Yeah, especially if you're a printer and you need to print CMYK and your colors are RGB, you want to change all these, and that's how you can do it. In this case, there's only, well, besides the goggles. So this is really part two if you didn't watch part two or part one. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.